Morning. Thanks for coming back. So today I got to do a few miscellaneous things. I changed the oil on the 51. Just little stuff. I got to get that van transmission put back together, but I'm going to do that later. I'm going to keep that part of the video short because I know nobody cares about that. I am going to work on the Jimmy a little bit. So let's see how far I get. Hey everybody, Bill here, Restored Hot Rods. So today I'm going to try to get that bed on this truck so I can get it out of the way of that shed, because my kayak's in here and I want to go fishing. I'm not sure I'm going to wrestle that thing over here. I'll figure it out. You know, I'm trying to figure which way it looks best. That's the center of the original wheel right there. So, there. You get the gist of it. No? That's better. Gonna get some bolts. I need washers. Got one bolt started in it. That's about where it goes. That's kind of where it goes. Okay. That's the center of the wheel. That is 38. And there. So it'll come 38. There. There. Close enough. And according to my calculations, that should be the center of the wheel. But the center of the wheel is actually okay, the wheel is 31. That's the center of the wheel. I'm not sure how much gap we're supposed to have in here. I'm thinking at least an inch right here. Right now it's about half, 3/4. Kind of bent up. So we have the 6-inch difference. That wheel goes back six inches. It should be centered on that line. Another option I have. I got these two fenders. I don't know what they're off of. So put those on there instead. Might look kind of weird, huh? I don't know, probably not. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick with the original fender. I'll probably grow it out this way. That wheel needs to go back 6 inches. Plus this, so if I go back 7 inches, I'll have the gap in the back and I have a little bit of room to play with. So I got to stretch the frame 7 inches. If I was going to make a lowrider, it looked like that, but that's pretty centered. I'd be good with that. Up higher, of course. Oh yeah, dig it, dig it, dig it, hate it, dig it, dig it, hate it. These clutches here, you can see, they're down to metal. Yep. Totally worn out. That's good to see. This one's got springs. I'm not going to be able to pull it out without compressing it. I can see that. I can see the springs are twisted in there. I'll tear that apart tomorrow. Not today. I know it's got issues. Okay, I didn't have any way to compress that spring, so I made a bushing, or made a tool. See if it works. So far, so good. Yeah, I know my hand's in the way. Wow, I don't even hit my head in that. If I can get the snap ring out of here. Like butter. Like butter. See that little click? You gotta be careful when you're letting these off that the bracket, the keeper doesn't catch in the snap ring slot. Wow, those springs are really compressed. That's a little tool I made. Had to notch it out of there so it fit around the hub. These springs were all twisted. Oh, that one bent. I don't like that. Looks like I need new springs. Those are messed up. Yeah, these are all bent. Can't. They're bent. They bound with each other, and they won't let the piston work right. I think there should be 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. Yep. Wow, look at that. Look how loose that is. Let's get over here on the bench. Just call the TranStar here in Spokane. They don't have the springs. They can get them. They're $8 a piece. There's 10 of them, plus shipping, used, or they have a whole used hub for 25 bucks, and they'll ship it. Same deal, a week. So I got a whole used hub coming, rather than chasing all around. Look on the internet. At least these guys know what they're talking about. So that's about all I can do for now. I'll finish this later. Thanks for watching. Yeah, gotta wait a week. That's bunk. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Take care. Gotta wait a week for springs? Yeah, I'm not using those.